As we progress in this course, I want to emphasize that it is super important that you practice whatever we are learning here. Don't just watch the lesson on props and assume you now know what props are, or watch the lesson on components or CSS modules, composition, conditional rendering, all the lessons that we have looked at so far. Don't just watch them and feel like, okay, now I know this. But you should also practice this, especially the projects. So far in this course, we have built this project which we found on Dribble. It will also help you if you can build this project on your own and even run into errors. Yes, I would like you to run into errors, because by running into errors and fixing those errors, that is the most effective way that you can solidify whatever you are learning in this course. So try out this project on your own, and you can also share them with me. Now, how can you try this project and how can you share them with me? Well, this is where platforms like Code Sandbox comes in. So Code Sandbox is like your online code editor that allows you to build projects with different frameworks. So for example, after you have created an account or logged in, here you can create a sandbox and then you can choose what template you want. So in this case, I'm going to choose React. And now we have this React template here. You can see our index.js and you can see the app.js where we have this div class app, hello Code Sandbox. Start editing to see some magic happen. You can see the result here on the right. Now let me copy and paste everything that we have built in our project so far into the Code Sandbox. Now by copying and pasting everything that we have in our project so far, you can see how it comes out here on Code Sandbox. You see here in the public folder, you can upload your images, your icons. It's just like your project directory where you can create folders, create files, and all this sort of thing. And when you're using platforms like Code Sandbox, you can also share this with me. So you come here to share and you copy link. And how do you share this with me? Well, much preferably on my Discord server, deeecode.com/discord. So on here, I have channels like Course React where I put updates about new lessons on the course. And I also have Learn React where you can put questions or whatever related to React. So on here, for example, you can say, check out my work. Then you can paste the link here. And by doing this, I can check out your Code Sandbox and I'll be able to see what you have done here. And if you also have problems, this is a good way I can help you. So if you have problems figuring out why one component or the other is not working, you can also put it on Code Sandbox and share a link for me. And then I or any other person in the server can help you out with resolving your problem. So as we progress in this course, I just wanted to point this out, that don't just watch the lessons, but also try them out. My Discord server is a good place where you can share it with others, and that is how we all learn and grow together. Anyways, let's progress to the next lesson where we talk about prop types in React.